have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
Good morning, it's day 17. We heading to EPCOT today. What a night we had last night with the storm. We went back into the park and still didn't see Enchantment. We came out, it absolutely chucked it down again. They did actually do the fireworks. Just as we got back to the car we could see them, but even when we came home in the car back to the villa, it was absolutely chucking it down. So we're going to attempt it in a couple of nights, I think. So yeah, we had EPCOT. Here we go, we're just coming in now. Come earlier. Our first DAS pass for rides isn't until 12:30, but the weather forecast is due for rain like 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. A little break and then rain again. So we've come in earlier. It is 10:33. Our plan is to go around the World Showcase bit first. When we haven't got any DAS passes, we'll do that bit, and then I'll just go for our first DAS pass at I think it's 12:30. So we're in through security. So yeah, so it's now Flower and Garden. Started on the 2nd of March, I think, through till July 4th. So good to have a new festival over here. New treats to try. Kelly has a list on a spreadsheet of items that we would like to try, so we'll try and get as many as we can of those. We're still doing work on Guardians of the Galaxy, active work. Flower and Garden passport book. So we're ready to go and try some snacks and treats. So right now we're just looking for the Club Cool, try the different Coca-Colas. Oh, there it is. You can see it's next to the Creations Shop. So yeah, you can see got all the different Coca-Cola flavours from around the world here to try. You're only trying the Moldovan raspberry. Not like it? Not bad. Just like chewy hit this. What's that one, Thomas, you've had? The Beverly from Italy?
I don't know, it's some kind of alcohol. That's it's not alcohol.
It is non-alcoholic. It's like wine, I'm guessing, is it? Aperitif is like non-alcoholic wine, isn't it? Yeah.
No, you try this one?
No. Is anyone got this one yet? I've done that one, try it.
Let me have a try.
Oh no, it's the same thing.
I quite like that's right here.
The Italy one, Beverly from Italy, is disgusting. I've got a taste in my mouth still. Let's go back to the raspberry. That doesn't taste as nice now. Oh. So now I'm just trying the Madagascar bonbon anglaise, I think it says. Tropical food flavours. That's not bad. That's got a bit of a cream soda taste, I think, that Madagascar one. Ever so slight. Quite nice. I was going to try the Russian Sprite. And it's got cucumber flavour. I don't like cucumbers. I can definitely taste cucumber in that. It would be great if you post some comments if anyone's tried these before, which is their favourite, which is their worst. That'd be good to know.
It's really good.
We got the China Smart Sour Plum. Doesn't smell good. Not like the taste either.
I didn't like any of them.
What else have we got? Korean Minute Maid Joy. Apple lychees.
I didn't like any of them, but that one was the best.
Very nice, yeah. Apple juice, really sweet.
Try that one.
I'm getting a bit overwhelmed by flavours now. I'm just kind of merging them together. Oh no, it's disgusting. Which is this one? Dominican Republic meringue. Creamy tropical fruit taste. This one. It's nice, yeah. I like that one. I like the Country Club. So I'm looking at some of the merch here now. It's quite heavy. It's like a chrome metal sign. This is $24.95. Like a bit like American Diner. It's $27.95. Quite like that. What prices are clothes? So like $60. It's quite expensive. That's really thin raincoat. Quite like this kind of washed out t-shirt. $34.99. That's more like it. I'll pan opener. That one's $20. It's not bad, is it? A few little items there. And then it's just along there. You've got what's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. I think it is different flavours to taste. So that's it. That was Club Cool. So now we are just going to have a little pop into the Creations Shop, see if there's anything different. Oh, it's even cold in here. This is lovely. Oh, there's a bit of Jersey Kelly grass. What's the price on that one? $36.99. Let's have a look at these drinks bottles. I really like this one. Saw it in World of Disney. Kelly wasn't sure then. Are you going to get one? You take it to work, aren't you? Quite nice mugs. I know I got a Universal one, didn't I? I kind of, in a way, wish I maybe waited and looked for a Disney one. But maybe next time. Maybe next time. They're cool though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like Monsters Inc.
Be able to see through as well.
Yeah. If you put blackcurrant in or chewy head, it'll be the right colour on it.
Just put it on top.
How much are they? On the bottom?
$30.
$30. It's about the right price that you pay for things, yeah.
Oh.
We're just having a look at the Christmas ornaments here. We're just saying we've got loads, probably can't fit any more on the tree, to be honest, but we saw this one. It's the only one we can see really with the date, with the date the year on. So we're gonna go, we're gonna get one of those. Let's get the price of that one. It is $24.99. EPCOT branded. $39.99. It's a little bit more. It's not as big actually. Got enough t-shirts now. I've bought a few while we've been out here. I was looking for some kind of jumper, sweatshirt, bit of a jersey, but it wasn't the one that popped out at me, to be honest. So I haven't bothered getting one. Don't want to buy just for the sake of buying. We'll see something else sometime. Oh, you've got it working. Who's worked there? There. Oh, that's when you open it. Oh, that's cool.
Press the button and then open it.
Imagine me doing that at work every time. That's cool. I like that. Worth the money then, Thomas, in that case.
I still wouldn't get it. Because it'll need batteries as well.
Some neutral home items. We're just in the cap section now. Baseball caps. That's a new one, I haven't seen that one. That on the bottom. It's a different one. Oh, let's start a Steamboat Willie. Got some different ones here that I haven't seen before. That was one of those I was looking at. No, that's yours. It is quite nice. I'm not sure if I've shown these before. Ooh, $49.99. It's an expensive one. Nice t-shirt. Seen all the kind of EPCOT and Figment things here. Jacket, $59.99. Right, I think we're done in here now. Just saying, I think we've got so much more fashion for women than men. So many more like jumpers and things even. A shame, but yeah, nothing for me in here again. That's jumping out at me. We've got the 2022 Christmas bauble, so quite happy with that. So it's currently 11:26. Our first DAS pass is test track, and that's not till at least 12:30. The latest being 1:30. So I think we best get around World Showcase, get as much in as we can, and then come back to test track probably for 1:30. We've just found Minnie. Oh, there she is. We've come clockwise this time. We're entering Mexico now. There's a lot of queues for food. But it is lunchtime, I guess. Just about 20 to 12. Oh, look, we found Donald in his sombrero, his Mexican outfit. We're going to get in the queue, we'll get a photo with him. First time I've seen an actual queue like this for photos. Noah's got his Donald hat ready, haven't you? Right, so we're nearly down the line now. Found out why there is a line. It's a photo pass photographer. So it was just me and Noah. Called the rest of the family over to get a proper photo done.
He's number 1.
Can you do it? No, it's okay. It's so great to see the characters out again. Not quite right up and close where you can touch them, but it's as close as you can get. It's really good. We had a bit of interaction there with Donald, especially with Noah having the Donald cap on, and Caitlin's t-shirt. You can see the background there. Yeah, it's really cool. I was just saying to Kelly there, do you think we'll ever bring it back where you touch them basically, hook them? And Kelly was saying that Paris is just starting to bring them back. Like there's now, when I'm recording this now, in about a week's time or so. So it'd be really good if they can bring that back. So now we're just walking up to Germany to get some snacks. Right around buggies there, but World Showcase. So Kelly has just been in, I think it's Caramell-Küche. We've got a caramel cookie, chocolate chip cookie, and we've got the handcrafted caramel popcorn. Just having stopped off a little snack. So just behind us we've spotted Snow White. Just currently doing an interaction with someone's mother on video call. That's quite cool. Just want to have a look at the miniature ground. Thomas and Noah's having a look around the back. Oops. Found the train. Over the bridge. There's a waterfall up here. Ah, spotted another train up there. Could do like, it looks like you could do with a little clean out. Oh, I've spotted another lizard.
Bye, Gran. Bye.
There it is.
I think trains derailed.
Does it?
I don't think it's supposed to either.
This red one up here, it was came over the bridge and it was struggling to get up the hill.
Oh, it stopped.
It stopped up there, yeah.
Stopped.
That's it. Right, we're gonna go for lunch.
That's amazing. That.
Oh, so the Norway is buried here. We got from the train.
So we've reached the USA. We're gonna go get a burger for lunch. So it's been obviously one of the biggest areas, I would say. Foreigner's journey is entertainment for today, tomorrow and the next day, so 3 days. That'll be later this evening. So I think, yeah, the burger we get it from the Regal Eagle Smokehouse. So I don't think we've been here before. There's some items there. So we go around the left side of the building. People are just where we said that we're here. I'm just waiting for them to prepare our foods, and then we can go indoors and get it. It looks really busy, but it is right at lunchtime. So hopefully it's not too long to wait for them to prepare the order. Yeah, so there's a Disney Pass member here on the door, but I'm not sure there's a system really. She's asking some people if they've ordered, and if they haven't, they stand in a queue at the side, different queue. And other people that are waiting, mobile ordered and waiting for their order to be prepared, stand in a group on the other side. Some people are more or less just barging through, some people are going in if they just want soda, just letting them in, keep the flow of people going because it's busy inside. But yeah, we're still waiting, been waiting for at least 5 minutes now, haven't we? We'll prepare it. We've just ordered a burger and a drink. I'm just going to share it. I'm not that hungry again, so I think it's probably the heat. But need to eat, need to drink. So as soon as it's ready on the app, we can go in. So we are ready, we can go in. Oh yeah, so it's busy. Yeah, so we need to find a table. Kelly's just gonna pick up the food there. Go grab it. Picking the food up in here. And then we can, that's the table right here. Thomas is really good at getting these tables. Well done, Thomas. You're the best table getter.
Who literally looked at this table and then looked away and someone got up.
I was looking around the room. Well done. So Kelly's got us the cheeseburger and fries. Looks really nice. We'll try the burger and let's see how it's nice and moist, so it's dry.
You guys got one?
Right, Kelly's got some little dips for us. We've got some kind of spicy one, so I'll show you what it was. Ketchup and barbecue. So, spicy sauce. It isn't spicy. It's very thin. It's like vinaigrette kind of thing. But I've tried the burger. I didn't realise because it said there it's in was it garlic toast. I can't really taste the garlic much, to be honest. Burger's moist though. That's always one of the main things with a burger. It's not dried, or I don't think. Pretty good, to be honest. So I'm going to enjoy this, especially in the nice airport in here. And then I will go. It's currently 12:30. So I'll probably carry on around World Showcase and then go for a test track at 1:30. Part of the festival markets, the pop-up stalls, we've got these, like a plant stall, we've got all these cool, I think they're bonsai. So as you can pack them for carry-on luggage as well. It's pretty cool. And you've got an amazing view over there. I think we've got Germany, Italy, America, China, maybe Japan. I think it's Morocco. If I got that right. But amazing view. So we're just coming to the EPCOT experience. Got all about this, Gran. Seen it loads online.
On behalf of all Sandorians, may I say that we are extremely pleased and excited. We will present more on our culture.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things
I'm interested to see the Moana themed land. I think it might be good for the sensory. Lots of interactive water features and things, but it's still not done. Let's see if we show any of it in here.
And now, EPCOT World Showcase, where we bring together cultures and ideas from around the globe.
We've arrived at test track, as you can hear. It is 1:20, so we're in time for our dash pass. It's so much louder out here than when you're on it, I'm sure it is. But yeah, we're going to go in, we're going to enjoy this ride. It's going to be super fast. You all know what it's like. So after the test track, we've got Soarin, and Kelly has just booked Remy's Ratatouille ride, and that's only got a 6-minute wait for that, so it's a lot less busy than when we were here last time. A few the week, wasn't it? Yeah. Last time I thought it was like a wait of like 2 hours or something like that. So it's a lot less wait, so it's good we get to do that again. Test track, amazing as ever. We it was a bit dodgy. It didn't go around properly. Anyway, yeah, the ride photo thing doesn't work either. I don't think that's very slow. But last time it automatically came through, so hopefully it'll do that again. So we're going to go do Soarin now. It's funny, there I was walking through off the ride, and a woman nearly went to like get Noah's hand. I was like, "Oh, come on, kid!" And I was like, "You can take him if you want." She's like, "Once enough." It's like, "Tell me about it." So what we're doing, passing through the Creations Shop to go through. There's the rare play area. I'd seen it on the map before, and didn't even know it was. I didn't even know it was there. It's good if the kids want to play. No, I didn't see it though. Yeah, let's just pass through the Creations Shop, quick through, and we're going to do Soarin. We haven't done it this time we've been here. I find it a little bit dated, but well, it might have updated actually. It might have updated some the shots, but it's still good. It's like classic rides. You do it over and over. To be honest, gorgeous flowers. Got Minnie over there, oh, Mickey further over, missed that one, and then over we've got a 50th, can't quite see. It's cool how they do it. Close up here. How cool is that? That's amazing. All different bins and flower pots and spades and things like that. We've arrived at the land. What's nice and cool over here. There's a lot of shade here. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. There's quite a lot of clouds in the sky, but the sun's still shining. The rain's held off so far. Let's see if I want to check the weather in a bit. See if it's been pushed back, the rain. I'm talking like it's a schedule, isn't it? Someone's doing it. Caitlin's got the weather there. Ah, yeah, it's being pushed. It's gone to 4 o'clock now. So that's quite good. We can get more of a bigger day in before we leave, get more done.
Down, I noticed my middle was open, and that's where I stuck my feet. Oh, okay.
Think everyone's eating lunch? I'll go for the look, Noah, we're going for a trip around the world. Oh, can you smell? Smell the grass. Enjoyed that so much. It really does wrap the screen around you, doesn't it? Kids enjoyed it. Noah was listening to all the places to Kelly. I think he got them all right apart from Fiji.
Beach. I don't know what Fiji
So yeah,
is.
it's really, really good.
Smells.
Yeah, Kelly said she likes the smells. Clever. It is really clever. So we were sat in B1, I think. One past B, we're in row 1. We're right in the middle, so the Eiffel Tower was like perfectly straight up. You get other seats, it like kind of curves round because the screen's like obviously curved. So we had probably the best seat in there. So I was lucky we got that. So there is an elevator to get up and down inside the land. I won't make you dizzy, but get your bearings over there. Food place, and we've got the escalators and lift there, and then Soarin, and then here's the lift, so you can get up and down to get back out. There you go again, the upside down waterfall. Did you hear me shout, Dumb and Dumber? You came when I shouted it. Yeah. Noah's using his Donald hat as popcorn bucket. Nice popcorn? Right, let's go to France. Remy's there. So I've just stopped off at the Flavorful Kitchen. I'm going to have a strawberry mousse. Sounds really nice. Thank you. Mousse! So this is what it should look like. Looks delicious. There's some jelly wiggly worms. Getting ready for us over here. Here we go. This looks delicious. Let's go and find a table over here and I'll have a try. I'm just going to try the mousse. It's got a bit of a hard casing. As I thought, really light.
That's not a chocolate mousse.
Cold, refreshing. Soft mousse, and it's got little crispy balls inside. Really nice. Like it?
I like the stuff inside of
You
it.
don't like that? Are you going to eat one of the wiggly worms? Bite it in half. Thomas can have some. So, the strawberry mousse, that's my kind of food. When it's red hot, just want something light, preferably cold. So yeah, very tasty, fruity, and a bit like a little bit of a hard casing on, very light hard casing. Nice strawberry mousse and the crispy bits inside. Nice little strawberry on the side. Yeah, fruity. Really good, really good. I just forgot to say the price on that one was $4.75. It's not that bad, I guess, really. So right now Kelly has the Northern Bloom. She is waiting, I believe, for the what was it called again? Beef Tenderloin tips with mash and carrots. Oh yeah, it should come with mushroom sauce, but Kelly doesn't like that, so she's got it without the sauce. Do you know what the cost was? I'm looking at it here. Yeah, $7, there it is. Full menu and price list there. Well, should we go find a table? We tried it yet? Soft?
Yeah.
Fatty?
Seems a bit fatty, this bit I'm cooking.
Yeah.
Mash is really nice.
Looks like it's like the braised steak stuff.
Nice and creamy.
Mashed creamy. Carrots, al dente, crunchy. And try it.
A bit more done.
Oh yeah, they're not.
So nice though.
They're not like crunchy. Like al dente, they are in between, aren't they? Good. Yeah.
Really good.
Really good. Excellent. What are you doing, Noah?
The mini EPCOT boy in the middle of the lake.
Oh yeah, it's a boy. Yeah, all over there. It's where they know to go with the boats and things.
This is going to surround the duck. Also, that duck just flew earlier.
Put it.
Ducky, fly.
It's a Disney duck. It's a Disney duck, Noah. So in the UK, you're all trying to quite funny, people queuing to get the photo with the post box and the red phone boxes. But yeah, we're used to it, aren't we?
That is E.O. Piglet and Tigger.
Oh yeah. Tigger and Piglet in here. Pooh and Rabbit. They're cool, aren't they? Rose and Crown. We've still never been in the Rose and Crown, I don't think, have we? It's always rammed, isn't it? Really busy. We've been to the Yorkshire Fish and Chip Shop. Done that before. We arrived at Ratatouille. So all the way up here, and then go left. And go around the back. There he is, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Right, we're just about to go on to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. I'm going to enjoy the ride this time. Not recorded, but if you go back to day 4, you may have already seen it. We've got a full ride video in that vlog, so you can check it out there. So I've just stopped off here at the Crêperie de Paris. I think that's how you pronounce it. We're going to get a crepe, and I think we're going to get the hazelnut and chocolate spread one. We're standing in the queue here. We've got quite a few 7 windows open. Are we getting the hazelnut and chocolate? Yep. Here's the menu right here. So the crepe we're getting will be $7.95 plus sales tax. I was waiting for that order. It's 5 to 4. I think the rain is going to be coming. The sun's gone in. I mean, it's nice and cool, but you can see all the clouds. So I think we are going to get the rain as the weather says so. So yeah, we're just thinking of possibly getting Skyliner. We've never been on it. Just jump on, just ride it to a resort and back, something like that, just so we can say we've done it. Just have a bit of a chill. I presume they run when it's raining, we'll find out. But that's the plan, and we're undercover, just have a little ride round. So we have our crepe. There's nowhere to eat, so it's a glamorous place for everyone else eating on top of a bin. They should really have at least some tables like what they do around World Showcase. But there's nothing, there's hardly any seating.
We're all sharing.
But anyway, we are here, we've got it, we're going to give it a go. Never seen so many children wanting to try it. Reactions? Really good?
Ready for my next piece, Papa? Good. Papa, I'm ready for my next piece.
Have a little bit, please.
Better than the one we had in Universal.
Is that?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I didn't like the one in Universal.
Got a little bit of a chew, yep. It's not like grease or anything, is it? It's not too sweet, I don't think. When you get like loads of sugar on it, then they're like really sweet. So it's kind of just right, isn't it, really? Yeah, it's a good call, I'll have that. So I've just popped into Le Halles, I think that's how you pronounce it. Karen's got a croissant. Is it good? And I got some macarons. I love these. There was another one, like a bigger one, with raspberries in, but we tried that last time, so we've gone for the little ones here. I was wondering if the different flavours on that, so we're going to try them and let's have a look. The cost was, so the croissant was $2.95, $11.95 for the macarons, which quite a lot of macarons are ours, expensive to be fair, but they do taste amazing, so I'm going to have these. Right, so we've decided for the flavours we've got lemon, toffee, lime, chocolate, strawberry and orange. They're all as good as each other, to be fair. I was going to give a favourite there, but they're all amazing, to be honest. So we've all had a little nibble to try them. Some people like some people don't like the others, but I'm quite happy to eat them all.
Don't think so.
So we're going to finish these off, we'll all have another little nibbles. There we've got Beauty and the Beast. There's a flower arrangement, it's amazing. I'm just looking at the different flowers on the back of the Beast, just to see how they do it. This is in the French pavilion. Really, really good. I got Jasmine in Morocco. It's cool that we get some characters. Just in the Japanese area, we've got going to Hanami, and we're looking at the Frushi. It's $7. Here we go. Karen's going to have a try of that one. Going to join the queue. It's all the way down here. And I think I'm going to go into, I'm not sure what it's called, but I know there's a shop here with Japanese related items in, so I'm going to go in there with the boy. Let's just have a look around the Japanese area. Probably clouded over now, so it's nice weather, really cooled off. What's it called? Mitsukoshi.
Mitsukoshi.
Something like that.
I've seen it before.
We've got Mario's teddies here. And you can see some Pokemon items behind.
I think Thomas found what he wanted. No.
So now look how much these Mario teddies are. There is a price, $44.95 for that one. Quite heavy. $40 for that. Quite expensive in here. It's imported items, so.
Right, I think the
It's $32.95. Charizard. So there's, we've gone past, I've just put my phone on charge, there's gone past like traditional Japan. You can get your, is it kimono? What are they called, I think. And then there's marketplace where they've got food and things. Here is the Frushi we've got here. Caitlin and Kelly's already tried it. What did you think?
It's alright. I'm not a big rice lover though.
Caitlin? You liked it? Have a little try. Definitely interesting texture. I'm surprised she likes it.
Too ricey for me.
Nice, isn't it? Never had that kind of thing before. How much was it? $7, wasn't it? Remember seeing it. Nice. So we have just come into the Germany shop. I'm not sure the name of it. Just watching the lady engraving on glass. That's kind of all of these designs here, I'm guessing.
Upstairs for today. Bottom me up last night.
This is $79. That one there is $49.
This is the one I
It's like $49, $59. Oh, I really like those. This kind of thing, this little tiny one, $35. I really like those there. $89. Not sure if that's for one or the two. Let's quickly show this before we leave. All the sports use crystals. Probably the most expensive. Right, what have we got, Kelly?
Pretzel bread with ham and Gruyere cheese.
Yeah. From the farmers market in we're still in Germany. Yeah, the rain's come. It has took its time, and it's here. It shouldn't be here for too long, I don't think. It leaves off, but it is due to start again. We might be staying for Harmonious. We're not sure. Kelly's plan was to now stay for, because we're in, and she thinks the rain isn't as bad as I was saying on the weather app. We'll play by ear again, and we'll see what it's like. We've got our coats this time. All in our coats. Prepared for a change. We've also got a change of clothes as well, just in case we get absolutely drenched like in Magic Kingdom. So we are just looking around the shop in the China Pavilion while we keep out of the rain. Kids playing outside. He didn't have his hood up. So let's go and find the family. Thomas had bought some popping candy, and Caitlin's got some kind of apple sweet, I think. So look at your popping candy, Thomas.
I'm trying to open it.
Oh, you put it away. Little tiny packets.
I only owe you $1.34.
Thomas's was well,
$5.
$5 ish, yeah. What do you got, Caitlin? Oh, the apple?
No, green tea.
Oh, green tea, okay. And they're about $6 as well. Right, we just come into the Mexican pavilion in the building. We did this last time. I was just laughing there because it Disney employees, one said, "Why didn't you come inside when it was raining?" And the other one had said, "Because someone ripped off their shirt." It's funny. I'm guessing you're not allowed to take your shirt off unless it's a water park, maybe? No idea. But it's just quite funny the way she said it. Oh, I like the little skeletons just here. Dog skeletons, they're cool. We've got Coco over here. It's a nice scene, isn't it? Oh, I've got a bit of reflection off the window. And that's the end, so you scan your Magic Band and you can download it in the app. It's cool. So let's go to the camera that when you zoom out that lens, you can see how big it is. Gran Fiesta tour. Video of the people and things, but just got a special boat for a wheelchair. So it's got this ramp in that you go in up here. But there it's flat, and then you wheel them all the way down there. It's amazing that you can accommodate the wheelchairs. People sitting down having their food and drink now.
Oh, no, you don't!
We sing and we samba, we shout! What means ay caramba? Oh yes! I don't know.
Right, so we've a little bit of time has passed. We've been round at just a few shops. Just had a little sit down on the wall, waiting for our Frozen Ever After Das Pass. It's currently nearly 6:30. We are planning on staying for Harmonious this evening. We're thinking of staying in the Norway pavilion where we stayed last time. We had a good view. Just need to camp out, that's all. Oh, there are a lot of screens in here. COVID screens. I've not seen so many screens in any of the rides, if I'm honest. This is definitely the most. We'd probably turn them down now if they ever will. Probably leave them in, won't they? To be honest. Give a bigger barrier between the lines.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. See you there. On our stage, with an unselfish act of truth and full I'm so glad you came along.
Or a later guest.
Let's just call it right. 'Cause for the first time
Look at the clouds up there. We've got pink right in the big. Oh, lightning as well. Well. I'm on charge still, right? So we're just heading over back to the UK. Get the fish and chips for the boys for their tea. And Spaceship Earth is currently lit up. Its patterns there. Try and get a close above it at some point. It's lit up now. Keeps changing its animations. Got the monorail right across the centre of it there. Just admiring Spaceship Earth. Reflection in the water. As we go to Turtle Talk with Crush. We loved that last time we were here. Right, so we found Total Talk with Crush. Done by 15 minutes.
So light without it.
You what, sorry, Noah?
I've done that one, now I'm waiting this one.
Right. Oh, look at that fish.
Oh wow! Look at that.
That looks like a. You should also.
It's doing
Righteous! Righteous! Whoa! Dude! Cha, that was an alley-oop, double gainer, crisscross. Awesome. Whoa! Look at all the humans in the human tank! Hey, human dudes! Hey, dude?
Noah.
Hey, Noah, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
No.
Aw, Crushman's got your back. First, say totally. Awesome. Now say sweet. Awesome, Noah. Now put it together and let's hear it loud. Say, totally sweet.
Totally sweet.
Oh, Noah, you did it, dude. You're totally talking turtle. Put your fins together for Noah, dudes. Awesome. Now there's a dude right across the aisle with like a white shell, long blonde seaweed, dude. What's your question, Lakshman? Did you forget your question? It's okay, I totally forgot your question too. Dudes, you so totally rock! Dude!
Let's give it for Crush!
Yeah, I just remember from before. It's really so good. Obviously, I have camera that you can see here, but it's just, it's makes it so believable, doesn't it? It just makes it so believable. The Turtle Talk with Crush.
Yeah.
It's great for kids. It's good for adults as well, actually. How they, I like how they pick people out. Got a response for everything. I certainly couldn't think of my feet for these responses, but yeah, it's just so interactive, like how they obviously can see you, but then they can move the animation of Turtle, of Crush, in response to it, and even looking on the side of the room and things like that. It's really good. We really enjoyed it. Yeah. So we're going on the sea with Nemo Friends. So listen to the seagulls.
It's time to go!
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
I am looking for my son!
Ooh, I can help. Oh, Fabio!
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know where. That's why we
Fish are friends. Good food. Delicious friends.
Too many creatures!
Guys, it's like 5 minutes until Harmonious starts. We are the kind of centre part of World Showcase, maybe catch it out in front of us, just where the Starbucks is in the disability section. Show you our view. There we go. Guys, that was Harmonious. Really good. I think it might be a little bit on par maybe with Illuminations, but the bits I loved the best was all the fireworks shooting from each nation. Like into the middle, that's what I liked the best on that one. But yeah, it was really good. The portal bit's totally different, isn't it? That you could project onto that, and there's some really cool effects of things coming sideways as well. So yeah, definitely worth the wait. That's really dark, so definitely worth the wait for that. So we're just gonna head out the park now. It's like 9:25. Fireworks good end to the holiday this week. If you want to let me pause for photos. Perfect shot. I was about to get our photo taken, photo pass photographer. Good night. Been an excellent day, excellent show and night to finish off with.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and we will catch you next time.